This is, I don't remember what year, 2014 Chevy Cruze with a 1.8. They said there's only 2 ways to do the alternator to get it out. I just did a third way. You know, you can either take the intake manifold off or take the CV shaft out and drop it to the bottom. So I pulled off the throttle body and I unbolted the motor. I lifted it up a little bit with a jack last week, but they had the wrong alternator. So, and you have to move that line and push it forward and bend that line right there a little bit. And then you stick the pry bar into here once you get the motor up, and you pry on this so that it moves the motor, and then with your other hand you wiggle the alternator down through there and drop it in. So there's more than 2 ways. This just was the easier way. It took less time than taking all that other crap apart.